Welcome back, my friends. Let's be honest here. Restaurant owners and workers have been to hell and back over the last year. So to honor them, as many local eateries expand their capacity, start to bring those employees back, we thought we'd take a trip in the Wayback Machine. I mean, all the way back to 2014, when I visited the Hill and had a run-in with a fan. No, not a fan of me. A fan of the best meatball sandwich in St. Louis. Week after week, the weather just gets more and more beautiful here in St. Louis, which brings a lot of people to the Hill. And apparently you haven't lived until you've been to Adriana's to check out the meatball sandwich. We're gonna go inside and take a look.
Hey, Matt.
Wait a minute. Herman from Brown and Crouppen, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? I'm coming here like I always come here.
You always come here?
I come to Adriana. It's the best meatball sandwich in all of St. Louis.
You wanna go see how they do it?
Oh, I'm gonna show you how they do it.
Just taking a walk.
Now you're in my field. I'm here with Suzanne from Adriana's, and she's going to actually teach us today how they make the best meatball sandwich in St. Louis.
Well, thank you very much.
So what do we got? It looks like about 2 pounds of ground beef.
We've got 2 pounds of ground beef right here. So we're going to get our hands in here. You
All
want
right.
to do it?
Yeah,
Just
sure.
start breaking it up a little bit.
All right.
Okay, we're going to add the breadcrumbs.
I've been around meat my whole life, Suzanne.
About 3/4 of a cup finely chopped onion, Romano cheese, and then we have about 1/2 of a cup of Italian flat leaf parsley.
Parsley.
We're
Okay, we're gonna mix this in. Look at that.
Look at you.
You know, I was in the Meat Cutters Union in New York growing up, and I've been eating meatballs pretty much out of the womb.
I use about 2 eggs per pound of ground beef.
Okay.
It's going to bind the breadcrumbs and everything together. We're going to add a little bit of water. It's about 1/2 a cup of water. And then in here, I have salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano,
I can
and
smell
I have
that. A little basil.
granulated garlic.
Ooh. Now you do something a little special here.
We do?
That I've never seen done anywhere else.
We're going to put it on the tray, and then we're going to flatten it out. Not a whole lot.
And when we plate this on a sandwich, you're going to understand exactly why they flatten those meatballs. Put the meatballs in the oven at 350, about a half hour.
About a half an hour.
Then you put them into your delicious tomato sauce. The flattened meatball covers the whole bread. We're going to get meatball in every bite. And then what kind of cheese are we going to use?
Okay, so we normally, since we're St. Louis, we put Provel cheese. We also offer anything else that they like. We're going to
just a little dip so that the sauce covers the whole top. If the law doesn't work out, I actually enjoy this more. Matthew.
Yes.
Matthew Chambers. You take a bite out of this and you just tell me how good that is.
All right, buddy. Do I have to stop after one?
No, keep going. Eat the whole thing. Okay. If you have never come down to Adriana's for their meatball sandwich, what are you doing here in St. Louis? Seriously. This is what you need. This is delicious.
See, they smush it. It's the smushing that's the key.
Stop.
Yeah.
Always yap, 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 yap,
And
yap,
then-
yap the whole time, and then the
And the
talking
food shows
stops.
up and it's over. Yes, I am happy to report that Adriana's on the Hill is open for business. You can check out their Facebook page for their daily specials, and they all sound awesome. And of course, huge thanks to my friend Ed Herman, who introduced me to Adriana's 7 years ago.
Wow.
If you'd like to get in touch with Brown and Crouppen, you can call them anytime, 314-ALL-2s, or visit their website at getbc.com.
Been there, done that. It is good. It is
So
good.
good.
I've had it.
Look